Yeah, sometimes people be feeling friendly and want to donate. They be seeing me work hard and they be want to donate. They be like, dang, man, look.
What's the circle for?
That's Instagram. That's the one you be on.
Lookout Racing.
Yeah, that's TikTok. Yeah, you got YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, PayPal, Cash App. Yeah. Oh, you know what that? I'm glad you know. I got that's the same thing though.
Well, Lookout Racing, what's that?
That's just my channel name.
Oh, I saw Tony Thorne looking for you the other day.
Yeah, Tony Thorne. Yeah, he was. Tony Thorne. Yeah, he called me.
He did?
Yeah.
He was looking for your phone number.
Yeah. Dang, yeah. Mm-hmm. He called me.
Yeah, he posted on Facebook.
Yeah, Tony Thorne. Oh, that was how he found me. I ain't know he posted it on Facebook.
He posted on Facebook. Anybody got Lookout Racing's phone number?
I ain't know it. Man, yeah, he called me.
4 people came on there and gave me your phone number.
Golly. Hey, man, yeah, Tony Thorne called me.
Uh-oh.
Tony Thorne called me. That don't even sound like a good call. Anytime Tony Thorne sound like a name you don't want calling you. That sound like a... Damn, bro, Tony Thorne called. That's like Debo. Like, damn, what the hell he want? What the hell Tony Thorne want? I think it's that thorn. I think it's the thorn. Yeah, that thorn sound like it's gonna stick you, make you say, ouch.
He might.
Yeah, he might. That thing Tony Thorne, man. I don't know.
I was like, who is that he's looking for?
Mm-hmm.
I'll find you on Instagram.
Yeah, I be on there, miss.
Well, there were several people gave me your phone number right there on Facebook.
Yeah, everybody know me, miss. What happened, miss?
She just friended you on TikTok.
Okay. Yeah, I'm on TikTok. I'm gonna start doing something on there. What you think I need to do? You want me to just show the race cars or you want me to do something?
Oh, me?
Yeah. Okay, miss, what you want me to do on TikTok? You want me to just...
What do you want to see on TikTok? Cars?
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm gonna just show the cars then. Okay.
All kinds of stuff.
Okay.
It's fun.
That's what I be showing right now, the cars.
Cars?
Yeah. Yeah, you know Funky Town?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you know Funky Town? She know oh, you do?
That song?
No. Nah, the man Funky Town.
No.
Yeah.
I'm always betting on the starting line.
Yeah.
I like the song, Funky Town.
No. Tell me the song Funky Town. How that go? Let me see. I might know it.
I just know the name.
That's it. Funky Town. It's a song. Oh, won't you take me to Funky Town? Yeah. That's it. I know. Sometimes people be coming to the track from all different kind of cities and states, and they be like, "Hey, look out! Won't you take me to Funky Town?" Yeah.
Don't do the duck lips.
Mm-hmm.
No, what's everybody doing? What is it? Oh, I forgot what everybody does.
Miss, you know what everybody doing, miss. Instagram keeping you updated.
I like Funky Town. He's cool to be. I'm watching hair tutorials.
Oh, you trying to learn how to do some hair?
Yeah.
What you trying to learn how to do?
Her hair. No. No, she ain't doing my hair.
Let me see. Miss, how you doing, miss? How you doing? You know Funky Town?
Maybe.
Okay, yeah.
I'm betting on the starting line.
She know him. She know him. She know him better.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Well, the Thorns will be
I'm
here
Cortez. Oh, the Thorns will be here. Randy Thorne and Tony Thorne.
Yeah, they come and get that 5-0 money.
Okay. Yeah, he know how to run that, y'all.
Yeah,
He know how to run that. Yeah, I better watch out when Tony Thorne get here. Miss, you seen that video I did with Bud Morgan? Did you know Bud Morgan ain't got time to watch social media?
Shannon probably got him busy.
Yeah.
Is that you?
Yeah, that's me.
He got to build them motors.
Mm.
Build everybody's motors.
Okay. Dang, he do be building some motors. Well, I guess he been...
He's a good veteran driver.
You seen him win that last race? I recorded him win the race, the whole thing.
Good.
You see the way he be hitting his nitrous button?
Who?
You see the way Bud Morgan hit his nitrous button? Yeah, he be hitting it. He'll hit it right there. Like this car pull it up, he'll hit it right now. Yeah, just to scare you. Just to let you know it's working.
He's a legend.
Yeah, he a legend, yeah. Yeah, here. Oh, I forgot I'm supposed to be charging this phone.
That's our driver in the blue pants.
In the blue pants? Oh yeah, what? He be cutting good lights. You be looking at the time slip. You ain't never looked at the time slip, miss? Do people be leaving on them or what? You don't know if they leaving on them? Well, miss, he can't be letting people leave on him. He gonna have to leave first. That way I can bet with him and get money. You don't be betting with him?
I don't bet on my own car.
You don't bet?
Oh, I bet.
Oh, you do?
Oh, yeah, you better believe I bet.
Oh, for real? I thought you was scared or something, just looking around.
No.
Oh, you would put that money up? What?
And I play them dice.
Oh, you shoot dice too?
Right over that pavilion.
Ah, miss, I'll tear you up, miss, on them dice. I'm telling you.
Who's that?
I'm professional.
Funky Town's friend.
Town was over there.
No,
Oh, yeah?
Funky Town, it was, who was it? The teacher.
I ain't even think they knew Funky Town, y'all. So, miss, you gonna learn all this hair tricks. What you trying to learn, the tricks?
I'll learn all the tricks.
Miss, you supposed to already knew that. That don't even look new.
I don't know how to do all that.
That ain't even...
I'm a
Oh, you
determiner.
could do that. You could do that. I can see you right now.
I'm a determiner.
Yeah, I can see you right now. What you gonna do? What you be watching on TikTok?
So what car are you out here with?
Any kind of video?
I got my own race car, miss.
What kind?
I got a Mustang and a Caprice. Both of them supercharged.
What class you in?
The 7.0 class. Yeah, the 7.0 class.
We have a Mustang,
Oh yeah?
580.
580? Can you drive?
Well, no. I practice one time.
Have you ever been to Yello Belly?
No.
What? You scared? You scared?
No, I ain't scared. Nah, that's a guy's hangout. I don't go.
Oh, okay. I guess y'all ain't got no car to go there. Well, 580 a good number to go at Yello Belly. You can do something with a... You can't... Y'all gonna be...
Hey.
See that 5.0 car.
Let's tell you about Miss Satterwhite and playing dice.
Oh, Tay, he knows something. You done popped him one time? Golly.
800.
Golly. He will lose it too, cause he ain't got... I can see him now not having no faith. That's how he do.
He's fun to bet with.